Hello Meteorite friends, here is Marcin Cimała from POLANDMET. In this movie I will show you how I cut this specimen. It's 1.8 kilogram graphite nodule from Canyon Diablo. So stay with me. This is Silver Blade version 7, my new blade. Yesterday I cut first meteorite here, the Alhagunia 004 CK3. So this Canyon Diablo graphite nodule will be the second meteorite that I will cut on this blade. This is the new version, which fully plexiglass blade cover, much improvements here. First I need to change the blade, because here I have a 6-inch blade and it's too small for this big piece. I will use for cutting for the first time a bigger version of this Chinese eBay cheap blade. It's 8 inches, 20 centimeters wide, and they say here it's 0.4 millimeter thin, but it's fake. It's like 0.5, 0.6 millimeters on the rim, 0.6, maybe 0.7, something around like that. So I never use a bigger blade like this, 6 inches, so I'm very curious how this bigger and very thin blades will work. But I think it will be no problem, because the graphite nodule is not very hard material. So let's change the blade. There is also a bigger arbor in this new blade, so I need to use a different spacer. This is designed for the smaller blades, and for this larger they have like 20 millimeters arbor, so I need a different connector for this blade. I think this one will be okay, or maybe this. Need to check. This is too small. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, now the blade. Like that. No, it's already okay. Okay, the blade is ready. Now the water will come here, and water also come from other side of the blade. There are two pipes. Now the specimen. Here from the top it's fully covered by caliche. It's natural surface here, but from the other side now the nodule from this broken side, it's nearly flat, so it will be very easy, and this will be very easy to place on the blade, which this natural surface on top. need to reconsider how to cut bigger slices, or I think because the specimen have it's not you have the specimen have a strange shape. I think I will cut like this. I will start from this, cutting a small end piece, and I will cut slices parallel to this flat surface. I need a lot of glue, hot glue. This is the best way to place any meteorite or any specimen on my SAF. You don't need any other method. It's tested and it works very well. I want to cut a whole specimen at once, without moving it in the middle of cutting. I place a lot of glue on the bottom of specimen. I hope there will be enough to hold it. I need more glue. Oh. It's not enough, but I think it will be. I should use 2 pistols. Okay, from this side is okay. Now from right. Okay, I think it's not already stable. I decide that I will use the iron bars to be sure that the specimen will not vibrate and will be stable. Okay, it's enough long. Oops. Maybe other side from the bottom. I will add some glue here to stabilize this iron plate on the specimen. Okay, now a little here. Okay. Okay. Now very gently, I will, not too much, not too much force here. The specimen is already very well holding on the plate, and this is just for sure, because the specimen it's big, it's heavy, and there will be still a lot of vibration, so I don't want to risk that the glue will let the specimen move. Now it's for sure no problem, it will stay on the place. Now I need to try to move meteorite under the blade, and I need to find where I will start cutting the first end piece. Here is the better view how this looks like from the operator place. So this is the specimen under the blade, so it's very good to see where the cutting will start. I think it's too much already. I will move. I will cut something like 15 to 20 millimeters first end piece. I don't want to cut too big. And then I will cut like, I don't know, 4 or maybe 5 millimeters thick slices. I'm not really sure yet. The water will come in this pipe, and the water start from the container under the SAF. It's full of water, and here is the small 300 liters per hour pump. It's like for fountain or for aquarium or something like that. It's good enough. There is the pipe that will give us the water to the blade. The water comes like this, here, like this, to the pump, and in this area under the container is there are neodymium magnets, and they will stop all the magnetic particles. So in meteorites there will be iron, because the iron can stop the pump, because the pump have magnetic core inside. Here is the way where water is pumped to the blade. Here there is of course engine. Okay, so I think I can start cutting. Specimen is placed in good position. I think it's already everything good. Let's try to cut first end piece. Water. Okay, I slowly start cutting. Oh my god, this will be very messy work. Everywhere will be graphite. Everything will be black. Okay. A lot of iron, flat cut. I think it's already okay. Take a look. So all the slices will be very, very nice. The specimen is full of fresh iron, so the slices will be nice, but the blade will be completely dirty. I will start cutting I will set 4 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I will try 5. Next slice. I don't want to cut too thin because this is not very hard material, and I don't want to break any slices. Another slice. The slice is not complete. One small fragment fall out and break from here. No, from here. Let's try to cut on 6 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slices start to be already very large. Okay, let's try. A lot of iron inside, so blade stops sometimes. The iron slowing down the cutting. Okay, nice. Only little fragments fall out. A slice is already, it's okay. It's now 5 millimeters. And let me see. Yes, specimen. This nodule was heavy weathered from one side. That's why it was broken. So there is some cracks inside. But at 5 millimeters thickness, the slice is very nice. Like this. Okay, now I will cut a few slices without stopping. I finish cutting 3 slices. I think I will cut one more, maybe 2. I think 2 will be better. There is very hot inside, so another 6 millimeters. 4, 5 and 6. Okay. I don't know what's inside because I didn't remove the slices. Let's start. Graphite is everywhere, everything is black and dirty. Later I need to clean myself before the graphite will dry. Don't try this at home. Okay. Now I will cut last slice, and there will be end piece like, I don't know, 25 millimeters, 3 centimeters maybe. So the cutting is finished. Okay. Cutting is finished. I can a little water on the floor. I will remove this iron plates. Okay. Everything is dirty from this graphite. Let's see what's inside of this nodule. I will remove now the first of 5 slices that there are here. Okay, let's move this back from under the blade. I need some space here. Okay. The slices are already free to take. Oh, nice. They are really nice size. A lot of iron. Another one. The same. Very nice, very iron rich nodule. Same one, and another one. Everything very nice. Cutting was very good. Slices have the same thickness from all sides, from the top and from the bottom. Now I will remove the end piece from the plastic. The end piece still is very on place. It's not moving a lot, so the cutting could be possible without the iron metal plate. But I want to leave end piece like this, so I will remove this. Oh, and it's very easy. This looks like like this plastic, which are little of fragments that break from the bottom of the nodule. I don't want to break anything. going, and okay, it's free. There are some little fragments on the in the plastic. This is from the first slices. There are some little fragments. Important piece is here. Nice, very flat surface, and from the back side it's natural natural surface. There is nothing, only here is a little fragment which broken surface, but here it's natural calish. So after cleaning this will be very nice. I think I will need to use some glue here, because you see there is crack also there. Also here is a little crack, so I need to fill these cracks with glue before I start to grinding and polishing. I don't want this fragment to break, and I don't want any deep cracks on the polishing surface. This will be looks better when the cracks will be filled with glue. So this is how this looks like. The slices start already, the corrosion starts, but this is nothing to worry about. This is just fresh cut. They are wet, so I need to finish the polishing, grinding, polishing. I need to stabilize, dry them and stabilize, and there will be solid, hard and solid, stable slices. Nothing to worry about the corrosion, and that they will be stable. A lot of slices, and very big slices. I'm very happy. The cutting process was very nice and fast. Slices are already drying up, so when they will be ready, I will make the final shot, and I will show you how they looks like, because they are very nice. All slices has been finished, and they are here. I think they looks very nice. They need to dry still till tomorrow, and then they will be ready. They are very big and beautiful. So, thank you for watching my movie, and see you in Enzisheim, and please visit my page www.polandmet.com.